Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So as promised, this is the final part of my 3-part series. So we had the natural nail prep, the application, and now this is the filing. So I always do the same routine. So I do the free edge first, then the side walls, and then around the cuticle, and debulking and shaping the main part of the body. So I start off with I think this is a 100 grit file, really just to get rid of any bulk if there is any, start to shape up those sides, and yeah. But I do come in with I've got my E file, and I've also got some finer files that I obviously use for refining the shape. So yeah, just keep watching, and if my hands look silly, if they look like they're in weird positions, it's because they are. I have something called hypermobility, so I move in ways that other people don't. So I apologise if it freaks you out or anything like that. I don't think there's anything too bad, but I'm sure my sister's cringing as she's watching this, because she always comments that I'm overextending my fingers. So I know, Laura, I know. All right. I'll leave you to watch, and I'll be back when there's something different to talk about. I was just going to say, this, I know it looks really rough what I'm doing here, but I promise it's not. It's where it's sped up. And I also make sure that I score my files, just so that I don't cut myself and injure myself. But yeah, I'm not hurting myself. Oh, and also that trick there, I just measure up with the other hand, so just make sure that the length is right, that the shape's right, and that it all matches up properly. But yeah, this is just getting the shape started. So now I'm coming in with my E-file, and this is a bit that I got from, I think it was Amazon or eBay. So it's a coarse flame bit, and honestly it's changed the way I do my nails so much. It's brilliant. If I can find it, I'll leave a link in the description, but this has completely changed my E-file game, because before I used to use it, but not massively. I wasn't hugely confident with it, whereas this bit alone has just made me fall in love with my E-file. So I do truly believe that E-files are all about trial and error. I've had a really cheap E-file before this one. Again, if I can find the link, I'll put it down below. But this one I really enjoy, and especially now that I found some bits that just, I find them really easy to use, and I'm getting more and more confident in using it. Obviously I'm not a professional, so I use it on myself, and I don't have any issues with heat spikes or burning, or I don't ever use it on my natural nails apart from my cuticle prep. So yeah, I will leave the links to those down below. But yeah, enjoy watching the rest of it. So then I'm coming in with, I believe this is a OPI Edge file. I really like these just for refining and going over the nail, yeah, just tidying up the shape. They're really thin, which I really like because they're easy to get around the cuticle, and they're really nice for refining that shape. So I just go around all the nails, and I really watch on the side walls. That's something I've learnt recently, is just to really shapen the edges, so where the skin around your nails meets the acrylic, just so it looks like the nail's actually coming out of your finger rather than it being stuck on the top. But I have realised my filing is getting much better. I think it's a mixture of practice on the application and just knowing how to file properly now. So yeah, my application time is coming down and filing time is coming down as well. So yeah, I'm pretty happy at the moment. So I feel like even since I filmed this video, my filing has got better. So yeah, I'm happy with how I'm improving. So we're coming up to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And as always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more videos. Bye!